Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry step by step. First, build a strong foundation by understanding core concepts such as atomic structure and the periodic table. These are the building blocks for everything else. Next, delve into chemical bonding, differentiating between ionic and covalent bonds. Finally, practice balancing chemical equations and mastering stoichiometry, which involves quantitative relationships between reactants and products. This initial phase is crucial for long-term success in chemistry. To truly grasp chemistry, active learning is essential. Don't just read, actively engage with the material by taking detailed notes and summarizing each chapter in your own words. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to working through problems. This reinforces concepts and helps identify areas needing more attention. Also, create flashcards for important terms, formulas, and common reaction types to aid memorization and quick recall during study sessions. When tackling challenging problems, adopt a systematic approach. Break down complex questions into smaller, more manageable steps, focusing on one part at a time. Don't hesitate to leverage available resources. Your textbook often has excellent examples, and online platforms offer additional practice. Joining a study group can provide new perspectives and collaborative learning opportunities. Most importantly, if you're stuck, reach out to your instructor or a tutor for personalized guidance and clarification on difficult concepts. Consistent review is vital for long-term retention in chemistry. Schedule regular review sessions, perhaps once every 3 days, to revisit older material and ensure it stays fresh. Try to connect new topics with what you already know. This builds a more cohesive understanding of the subject. A powerful technique is to explain concepts aloud to an imaginary audience or a study partner. This process highlights any gaps in your knowledge and solidifies your comprehension, making you a more confident chemistry student.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.